Good morning, everyone. We are continuing with Unit 17, question number 9. So question number 9 is, if sine theta is 3 by 5 and theta is one of the acute angle, find cos theta. Sine theta is 3 by 5, so automatically it means P by sine is P by H. Okay, so I have told you in this case we used to let like this, P is equals to 3x and H is equals to 5x, right? So perpendicular and hypotenuse we have, I need to find out base square. So by Pythagoras I can write base square is hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. So 5x square minus 3x whole square, you will get 25x square minus 9x square, which further gives you 16x square, and it is the square of 4x. So base I will get 4x. Now I have all the values, just I need to put, like cos theta is what? B by H. B अभी हम लोगों ने निकाला है, that is 4x. Hypotenuse is 5, so 5x. X से x cancel and I will get 4 by 5 and hence my answer. Okay. Similarly, second is tan theta. Tan theta we know that it is P by B. Perpendicular is 3x. Base we have calculated as 4x. Cancel. You will get 3 by 4 as your answer. Question number 10 is exactly same. So you are going to do it yourself. Right. Now coming to question number 11. If sine theta is 6 by 10. If sine theta is 6 by 10, you have to find cos theta plus tan theta. This also you will do it yourself because I am doing the question number 12, which is same as that of question number 11. So question 12 I am explaining. Question 11 you are going to do it yourself. Question 12 is tan theta is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. You have to find out the values of sine theta plus cos theta. Let's find out. Same question like this only. Tan theta is, you know that it's P by B, right? So perpendicular I have 4x and base I have 3x. So let us find out the hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. You know that hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square, right? Perpendicular is 4x whole square, base 3x whole square. You'll get 16x square, 9x square. On adding you will get 25x square, which is the whole square of 5x, right? Because 5 square is 25 and x square. So this is the hypotenuse square. On comparison you will get hypotenuse is equals to 5x. I need to find out sine theta plus cos theta. Sine is P by H, cos is B by H. Now you have all the values, just put it down. P is 4x and hypotenuse right now we have calculated 5x plus bases 3x by again 5x. X cancel. Okay, take the LCM 5, 4 plus 3. So what you will get? 7 by 5 and hence your answer. These questions are a bit easy. Next, question number 13. Question number 13 is cosecant theta is root 5. इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं है, so we can consider it as 1. Okay, and theta is less than 90. Don't focus on these lines much. Theta is less than 90. इसमें सारे trigonometrical ratios जो हम questions कर रहे हैं less than 90 आ रहे हैं, so there is no need to worry about. Don't think of कि क्यों दिया हुआ है, क्या करना है, कुछ नहीं करना. Find the value of cot theta minus cos theta. You have to find out this. Okay, same method which we have done in the last question. Nothing new in this. Now cosecant theta you must be knowing that it is h by p, right? Table से देख लेना आप. अब याद भी हो जाना चाहिए इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस करके. इट इज h by p. Okay, so hypotenuse is √5. So again you will let it in the form of x. Perpendicular is 1x. Now you are already aware that hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. We do not have base, so perpendicular को इधर ले जाओ. Hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square is base square, right? Now hypotenuse square, this is √5x whole square minus perpendicular square, that is 1x whole square, is equals to base square. √5 square 5, x square minus 1 square 1, x square. Now 5 minus 1 is 4x square. 4 is the whole square of 2. So 2x whole square is equals to base. So I get base is equals to 2x. Okay. Now you need to find out cot theta minus cos theta. Now cot theta is what? B by P. Cos theta is what? B by H. Right? These are the values. Okay. Now let's find out. Put the values. Base is, I have got 2x. 2x. Perpendicular is √5. Perpendicular is 1x. Perpendicular is 1x. Minus bases, again 2x. And hypotenuse is √5x. Okay. Now take common. I'll get √5x as LCM. X is already there. So √5 bacha, √5 into 2. You will get 2 √5x minus √5x already here. So what you will get as it is 2x. Now you can see that 2x is present in both the terms. So I'll get 2x √5 minus 1 upon √5. 2x is common, so I'll get √5 minus 1 internally and √5x here. x से x cancel हो जाएगा. ठीक है, because हम denominator में रूट नहीं छोड़ते हैं. So let's multiply by √5 into √5. So I'll get 2 √5 bracket √5 minus 1 and √5 into √5, 5. Okay, this can be also your answer, and you can simplify also. 2 √5 into √5 is 5, so 5 into 2, 10 minus 2 √5 by 5. Both can be your answers. Okay, now moving to question number 14. Sin theta is P by Q. You have to find out cos theta plus sin theta. ठीक है, नथिंग. अब जस्ट यहाँ पे पहले नंबर्स दिए होते थे, अब P और Q की फॉर्म में दे दिया है. करना हमें वही सेम काम है. ठीक है, साइन इज P by H. So perpendicular here I have P. Okay, and hypotenuse is Q. बेस निकालना है. सो बेस कैसे निकालते हैं हम? हाइपोटेन्यूज स्क्वायर माइनस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर. सो पी स्क्वायर, हाइपोटेन्यूज इज क्यू, सो क्यू स्क्वायर माइनस परपेंडिकुलर इज पी ओनली, पी स्क्वायर. दिस इज बेस स्क्वायर. सो बेस स्क्वायर, आई एम राइटिंग इट अगैन हेयर. बेस स्क्वायर इज क्यू स्क्वायर माइनस पी स्क्वायर. बट आई डोंट नीड बेस स्क्वायर, आई नीड जस्ट बेस. सो माई बेस विल बी under root of q square minus p square, right? Let's solve out further. I need cos theta plus sin theta. Sin theta की value तो I'm already having, that is p by q. Cos theta I don't have. So let's find out the value of cos theta. Cos theta is my b by h, and base I have calculated, that is under root q square minus p square upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is q only. Let's put the values. Q cos theta. Now cos theta is under root q square minus p square by q plus sin theta. Sin theta is p by q. Now the denominator is same, so take the LCM as q only. So what you will get? Under root q square minus p square plus p. Okay, and hence your answer, nothing else. This is just the answer of your question. Further, question number 15th now. Question number 15 is tan theta 8/15. Okay, you have to find out the value of secant theta plus cosecant theta. Now tangent is P by B. So perpendicular I have 8x, let it in the form of x. Base I have 15x. Okay. So hypotenuse I need to calculate. Hypotenuse square is perpendicular square plus base square. Right. Now perpendicular is 8x whole square. Base is 15x whole square. Now 8 square is 64 and x square. 15 square is 225 and x square. Add it, what you will get, 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 2 8 and 289 x square. आपको नहीं पता तो सॉल्व करके कैलकुलेट करके देख लेना, अदरवाइज 289 is the square of 17, so it will become 17x whole square. This is equals to hypotenuse square and hence my hypotenuse is 17x. Okay, now once you have the values, find out. Let's secant theta plus cosecant theta. Now secant theta, you know that by the table. It's like table is this. Some people have curly black hair turning permanently black. This is cosecant, this is secant and this is cot. So secant I need to find out. This is h by b. Secant नीचे है तो उल्टा ही देखेंगे. h by b plus cosecant. Cosecant h by p. Right. Now just put the values. Hypotenuse I have 17x, base I have 15x, right? Hypotenuse again I am having 17x and perpendicular I am having 8x. X से x cancel हो गया, right? And now the value will be a bit complicated. 15 8s are 120. So 15 8s are, so 8 into 17 करें. 8 7s are 56, 8 1s are 8 and 13. So we'll get 136. Plus 8 15s are 120 and 15 into 17 I need now 17 into 15. 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8. Now 1 7s are 7 and 1 I'll get 5, 3 and 2. So I'll be getting 235. On adding 5 plus 6 11, 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7 and 2 plus 1 3. So 371 by 120. And hence my answer. Just check it once. If it will get cancelled, you may cancel it out. Otherwise I don't think 371 goes by any of the table. Now moving to next question, question number 16. Question number 16 is 13 sine A is equals to 5, right? What you need to evaluate, that means what you need to find out is 5 sine A minus 2 cos A upon tangent A. This you need to find out. Now sin A. Sin A is 5. 13 यहाँ multiply हो रहा है तो इधर आके divide हो जाएगा. Question becomes again same. Sin, you know that it is P by H. P by H. Now perpendicular is 5x. Hypotenuse is 13x. Okay, those who are watching these videos, I would suggest you first that you do it yourself, then you look at the video and check out whether the solutions are correct or not. So first it will be a preferable thing that if you will do it yourself. Okay, perpendicular is 5x, hypotenuse is 13x. Let's find out now base. Now we are well aware that base square is equals to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Let's solve it out. 13x square minus perpendicular square is 5x whole square. 13 square 169x square minus 5 square 25x square and further which will be getting 144x square. Now you are pretty much aware that 144 is the whole square of 12. So 12x whole square. Now base square is equals to 12x whole square. Now on comparison you will be getting base is equals to 12x, right? Now you have all the values. Perpendicular is 5x, hypotenuse is 13x and base is 12x. So just put the values here, but you must be aware ये होता क्या है. Sin A, चाहे आप ऐसे लिख दो, साइन तो हमें ऑलरेडी गिवन था 5/13, साइन ए इज 5/13, ठीक है। यहाँ पे सेपरेटली निकाल लो ये वैल्यू जो हमें चाहिए। कॉस ए हमारे पास b/h होता है, सो बेस इज 12x, हाइपोटेन्यूज इज 13x, कैंसिल किया, आई गेट कॉस इज इक्वल्स टू 12/13, देन फर्स्ट 2 cos a, that is 12/13, right? Then denominator tangent a is now my p/b. So p is 5 and base is 12, so I'll be getting 5x/12x, x cancel, 5/12, right? Solve it. 5 5s are 25/13 minus 12 2s are 24/13, होल ब्रैकेट 5/12 ऊपर जाके रेसिप्रोकेट हो जाएगा, सो इट विल बी 12/5. ओके, नाउ LCM 13 इज देयर, 13 25 minus 24 into 12/5, right? So what are you getting now? 25 minus 24 is 1. I'll be doing this step here. 1/13 into 12/5. So your answer, 12 ones are 12 and 13 5s are 65. This is my answer. Okay. Doing the last question of this video, question number 17. Question number 17 is cosecant A is √2. Again, you are well aware that cosecant A is h/b. Okay, so this is the hypotenuse and perpendicular is 1. Need to calculate my base now. Let's find out base square is equals to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. √2 square minus 1 square, just take x along. Okay, so 2x square minus 1x square, I'll be getting 1x square, and it is the whole square of 1 only because 1 ones are 1. So base I have got 1x. ठीक है, हाइपोटेन्यूज इज √2x and perpendicular is again 1x. Okay, you need to find out the value of 2 sin square a plus 3 cot square a upon tan square a minus cos square a. तो पहले ये वैल्यूज निकाल लेते हैं सारी, ठीक है। साइन ए हमें पता है कि साइन और कोसिकेंट आपस में रेसिप्रोकल होते हैं, तो साइन अगर कोसिकेंट ए √2/1 है तो साइन ए क्या होगा 1/√2, राइट। फर्दर कॉट ए, कॉट हमारा क्या होता है b/p, ठीक है। तो बेस कितना है 1, p कितना है 1, सो 1x/1x, x कैंसिल हुआ तो हमारे पास 1 ही आएगा, ठीक है। 1/1 इज 1 ओनली. Now what other values I need? Tangent A and cot A are reciprocal to each other, तो 1 का रेसिप्रोकल 1 ही होगा, तो टेंजेंट ए भी 1 आ जाएगा हमारे पास. नाउ cos A इज b/h. बेस क्या था 1, h क्या है √2, सो 1x/√2x, x कैंसिल हुआ, सो इट विल अगैन कम 1/√2, राइट. ओके, hold on, right, 1/√2. Now just put the values to sin square a. Sin a is 1/√2, square है तो whole square, plus 3 cot square a. cot कितना था 1, so 1 का square. Tangent square a 1 ही है, 1 का square, minus cos square a 1/√2 का whole square. Okay, solve it. 2 into 1 square is 1, √2 square is 2, plus 3 into 1 square is 1. Now 1 minus 1 square is 1, √2 square 2. Solve it out. 2 से 2 cancel, you will be getting 1 plus 3, right. 1 minus 1/2 कितना होगा 1 माइनस, एक में से अगर हाफ माइनस करेंगे तो हाफ ही आएगा, ठीक है। नहीं तो आप एलसीएम लेके भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो. नाउ दिस विल बी 1 + 3 4, 1/2 ऊपर आएगा तो रेसिप्रोकेट हो जाएगा. नाउ 4 2s are 8 and hence my answer. Okay, this is all about today's video. make sure you will be completing your work on time as well. Okay, in the next video we are going to discuss the question from question number 18. Thank you.